Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are having a figure of rectangle, the area of which is to be found. Readings are given in such a way that E is the midpoint of CB and AE joint in such a way this angle is alpha and same F is the point on DC somewhere. When we join AF, the length of AF is equal to 10 centimeter. This is also making angle alpha with AE. So these angles both are equal to each other. This is the midpoint, so that on the basis of this we have to find the area of the rectangle. And area of the rectangle A, this will be equal to what? The height and distance, height and base. Multiple of base is equal to AB into CB. This is to be found somehow on the basis of these observations. What we can do, we will take these two triangle AEB and AEF. In this we are having the angle, this is angle alpha, this angle, this is very much common. Okay, in this triangle this angle B is 90. So in order to obtain the another angle, because alpha is already there but 90 is not there, so that we in this triangle, so that we have to drop the perpendicular from E on this point AF at point P. This is the perpendicular at point P from E. So that this triangle, now it becomes this 90-degree angle and this will become 90 minus alpha. Okay. Okay. Now if we see, this is alpha in this triangle ABE, this is 90, this is alpha, this will be also 90 minus alpha. This is 90 minus alpha and this is alpha, this is beta, this is 90. Same in the triangle AEP, this is 90, this is alpha, this is 90 minus alpha. It means they are having the angle similarity theory. Okay. It means this is common. AE is common in both the triangle, and this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. It means this side, this is very much common. This angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, this is 90, this is 90. It means this side will be automatically equal to this side, EB. It means EB is equal to PE. Now PE will also be equal to EC, because EC is a half, EC is equal to EB. So that we can say that PE is equal to EC. Okay, correct. If PE, now again if we take these triangles PFE and FEC, then what we will see, this is 90-degree angle, this is 90-degree angle. Except this, we have proved that this side is equal to this side, and this is very much common. I am saying again, please don't go on figure. This is a mathematical situation, so that we can say this angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this one angle. This will be the midpoint of this angle, and hence if it is, what will be the angle of this? Because this whole angle is 180. Out of this portion is 90 minus alpha, this portion is 90 minus alpha. It means they both are 2 alpha. But this angle is equal to this angle. It means this is alpha, this is alpha. Okay. This portion is alpha now. FEP is alpha. And angle PEA is 90 minus alpha. It means this whole will be equal to 90. This is the way. This is F. This is E. This was P. This was alpha. And this angle, this was the A point. This was alpha. This was 90. And this was 90 minus alpha. It means whole angle, this will be 90. It means now we are in the triangle. Which triangle? F, E and A. F, E and A. this angle will become 90 degree. Okay, this whole become 90, and this will be the base, is 9 centimeter, and this will be the hypotenuse, 10 centimeter. Okay, this will be the 90. This angle plus this angle. This was 90 minus alpha. This angle we have to lose alpha, so that whole triangle this will become 90, and hence this will be become the hypotenuse. This will become the base for this triangle. Okay. Now hold the triangle F, and this is also EBF. This is 90 minus alpha. This is alpha. This is 90. Now we can compare these in these two triangles. This is alpha. This is point A, this is point E, and this is B. This is 90 degree angle, this is alpha, this is 90 minus alpha. Okay. Now we will compare for this angle alpha, base upon hypotenuse. This is base upon hypotenuse is given to us 10 centimeter. Base upon hypotenuse for angle alpha in triangle AEB, AEF. This will be equal to 10, base is equal to 9 upon 10. Base for this angle alpha, base upon hypotenuse is equal to given to us 10, will be equal to base upon hypotenuse of this triangle ABF. This is base is equal to AB. Now hypotenuse is equal to 9. It means AB will be equal to 9 into 9 by 10. That is 81 by 10 is equal to 8.1. It means this length become 8.1. AB is equal to 8.1. Now CB is to be obtained. Next aim is somehow to obtain CB. How we can find the CB? In order to obtain CB, let us use the triangle ABE. ABE. How we can find this? AEB. This is AEB. AEB. That is alpha. And this is not known to us. EB. EB is double of EB is equal to CB. So EB can be obtained. This is 8.1. This is 9. It means EB will be equal to root of 9 square, or we can say directly EB square. This can be written as 9 square minus 8.1 square. That is 81 minus 8.1 square. This will be equal to, I think I have to use the calculator. That will be equal to, wait a minute, I am going to just calculate it. That 8.1 square is equal to 81 minus 65.61. This will be equal to 15.39. And EB, this is the square of the EB, then hence EB will be equal to root of 15.39. Root of 15.39, wait a minute, root of 15.39, this will be equal to 3.92. It means EB is equal to 3.92. Or hence CB will be equal to double of EB, that is 487,784. Hence the area will be equal to, this is CB, 7.84 into 7.84 into 8.1. 0.1, the area will be equal to 63.5 SQCM. This is the answer. Sorry. Trick is to be used. sorry. Trick is to be used how we can compare the triangle, because this is 90-degree angle, this is not 90-degree angle. So that's first of all, in order to compare the triangle AEB with another triangle, the angle alpha is there, 90 angle is not there, so that from E point we have to drop the perpendicular at point P, so that now this triangle AEP becomes just identical to the triangle ABE, and hence we can compare these two and can obtain the value of this, because this is very much common. This is angle alpha, this is angle alpha, this is 90, this is 90, this becomes 9 minus alpha, this will be also 9 minus alpha, as this side PE will become equal to EB. And then PE when become equal to BE, then we have to compare the triangle PEAF and FEC, in which this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is very much common, and hence this angle will be equal to this angle. This whole angle was 180 degree and this was 190, 90 minus alpha, this is 90 minus alpha. These two angles will be equal to each other, and hence this will be alpha, this will be alpha. Now in the triangle, this angle alpha will to be added with 90 minus alpha, so that whole angle, this triangle become 90 angle, and has this total triangle. In this total triangle AEF will have 90 degree angle at point E, and then we can compare for the particular angle alpha. This is base, this is hypotenuse, which is given to us equal to 10. For the angle alpha in this triangle FEA will be equal to the perpendicular upon hypotenuse for the triangle in the triangle ABE for angle alpha, that is AB upon 9, and AB can be obtained from here, which is equal to 8.1 centimeter. Now applying the Pythagoras theory, this is 8.1, this is 9, we can find the value of EB, and then double of this will be the value of CB, and then hence the area will be 8.5 into 7.84 equal to 63.5 centimeters square. Okay, thank you, good night, good luck. Thanks for watching my video. For beginning class, don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you, good night, good luck.